And now continuation, the example, this is the most important another example. The relation between time t and the distance x, t is equal to ax square plus bx, where a and b are constants. The acceleration is minus k a v cube. Find the value of k. The first of all discuss about you some formulas. Already last videos can explain. D by dx of x power n. The differentiation of x power n means n into x power n minus 1. Suppose the n value 2, that means 2 into x power 2 minus 1, 2x. X square derivative 2x. For suppose 1 by x is nothing but x power minus 1. N value minus 1. Minus 1 into x power minus 1 minus 1. That means minus 1 into x power minus 1 by x square. X square derivative 2x, 1 by x derivative minus 1 by x square. These two formulas using this formula. That problem, that relation between time and the distance is t is equal to ax square plus bx. Differentiate with respect to x. dt by dx is equal to a into x square derivative 2x plus b into x derivative 1 means that means 1 into x power 1 minus 1, x power 0, 1. That means b into x derivative 1, that means b. That means 2ax plus b. The changing the fraction, dx by dt is equal to 1 by 2ax plus b. But the rate of change of position or displacement is called velocity. v is equal to 1 by 2ax plus b. This function differentiate with respect to x, dv by dx is equal to this total. This is the one function. 2ax plus b is the some value. Suppose x. That means 1 by x derivative minus 1 by x square. But x value 2ax plus b whole square. And the 2ax is the function of x. 2x derivative 2a. That means x derivative 1. That means dv by dx 1 by 2ax plus b whole square. That means 1 by 2x plus b is the v, both side whole square. That means minus 2a v square. But find the value acceleration means dv by dt, the rate of change of velocity. This function is nothing but this function, dv by dx into dx by dt. Dx cancel, dv by dt. But dx by dt means velocity. But dv by dx means minus 2a v square into v, minus 2a v cube. But in this question minus k a v cube, but k value 2. This is the important example. And now last, the another important model, a particle moving with uniform retardation. Retardation means if the velocity of a body with respect to time decreases, covers a distances 18 meter, 14 meter and 10 meter in successive seconds. Successive means 5, 4, 3, 2 or 1, 2, 3. It come to rest after traveling for the distance of. A particle with moving uniform retardation covers a distances. The first second traveled by distance 18 meter and second traveled by distance 14 meter. And the last distance, this value further distance before coming to rest. U is the initial velocity, a is the acceleration. And the second traveled by distance, Sn is equal to u plus a into 2n minus 1. The first second traveled by distance 18 meter. That means 2 into 1, 2 minus 1, a by 2. 14 meter is the second traveled by distance, n is equal to 2. 2 into 2, 4 minus 1, 3a by 2. First second traveled by distance, u plus a by 2 is equal to 18 meter. Second traveled by distance, u plus 3a by 2 is equal to 14 meter. 2 minus 1, u cancel, 3a by 2 minus a by 2 is equal to a. 14 minus 8 minus 4. That means retardation, acceleration will be negative. That means uniform retardation, a is equal to minus 4 meter per second. This value substituting on 1, u plus minus 4 by 2 minus 2 is equal to 18 meter. U is equal to 18 plus 2, 20 meter per second. The first of all we calculate the retardation 4 meter per second square, initial velocity 20 meter per second. But the total distance traveled s, this is the initial velocity u, final velocity 0, acceleration a, distance s is equal to v square minus u square by 2a. V is the 0, u is the 20 square means 400, 2 into minus 4, minus 400 by 8, 50 meter. The total distance covered by the particle 50 meter, but according to diagram 18 plus 14 plus 10 plus x is equal to s. S means 50. 18 plus 14 plus 10, 42 plus x is equal 50. X is equal 50 minus 42, that is equal to 8 meters. For the distance, it come to rest. It come to rest after a traveling further distance is 8 meter. 8 meter traveled, a particle will be rest. And in next classes discuss about you some graphs.